Ariana, what are you doing here? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. To all my returning subscribers, welcome back to this and to those new to the channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. I am not Miss Langu. Let's get into it. As promised, welcome to the part 2 of me going back to rest, leaving for Bloom. I don't know, man. I look like a gangster. I look like a gangster. Let me show you my OOTD.
Let's do.
Sure, nah. So we are literally leaving now. We're actually supposed to leave at 6:30, but like it's already 7 now. I woke up at 5:30 and my bus is like at 10:30. But anyway, yeah. I'll just vlog when I find something interesting for you guys, and yeah, let's get into it.
Let's try just one day.
Stretching. Ariana, what are you doing here? What are you doing here, Ariana? Morning, you guys. I got to my place last night. I couldn't vlog because I was just so frustrated. I was so frustrated. I was so bored. Like, bro, I was so underwhelmed because I was underwhelmed by the fact that I found my room so dirty. Because I left it clean, like clean. I did a spring cleaning when I left. But then when I got back, like, I wasn't, I didn't get for like a year, the way it's so dirty. So I was like, what the hell? I think it's because people were working, fixing their rooms. So that's why it got a bit dirty. But the fridge today, why is the fridge also dirty? And I hate working on a Sunday. Like, I hate it so much. Like that, as on a Sunday you just need to rest, like the Bible says. You just need to rest. You don't have to work like so hard, and I feel like I'm gonna do a lot today because I also need to do grocery. I need to courier these other items to my mom because apparently she used my address here and not the address back home. So yeah, that's just the mistake she did. So now I have to like courier her items to here, and then clean also. And not just clean, but like, bro, like clean. Yo. To those who are new to this channel, I'm gonna do a little room tour for you guys, and then when I'm done cleaning, I can't do a little room tour in such a dirty room. Oh guys, but then yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Yeah. just got to McDonald's only to find out that only drive-through is open. I'm even red right now. No. Like, what is happening with my life, you guys? First of all, it was Pick and Pay that closed early. So I had to like shop at Woolworths food. I put my cake Woolworths. Now I walked to McDonald's here at Mimosa. And only drive-through is open. I don't know what to say anymore. Like, I'm defeated. Good morning. Sorry guys, I haven't been vlogging because I was sick. I'm feeling better now. I am going to the mall now to do some groceries, but before that I am going to collect my textbooks. I'm going to collect my textbooks from this other girl because they are so expensive at the bookstore, so I couldn't buy them there. So this girl sold those textbooks with a cheaper price. Yeah, so I'm waiting for her now to confirm if she's at school so that I can walk and collect them. I don't know if I'm gonna come back here or just go straight to the mall, because I'm also gonna walk like to Waterfront Mall, because why not? I mean, it's in the morning, you know, I'm not in a rush, so yeah, it's good to walk, guys. I'll do my groceries today because I didn't properly do groceries, so when I come back I'll do a little room tour for you guys, and then yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video. Yeah, so let's go. can't wait to actually see what's inside. I think I'm gonna use a knife. No. Oh, I have a Caesar. I have a Caesar. Oh my word. But it's so small. It's cute. But yeah, let's unbox it together. Okay. I want to break anything if there's something that's like, you know. Oh, oh my gosh. And this is my favorite color. Green is like one of my favorite colors. Oh my gosh, let me show you. Ah! Oh. I'm gonna show you.